Hey guys, it's Wednesday and I have work today, so I'm making supper in the slow cooker, and I am going to attempt to do a recipe that our little gingerbread house does for healthier homemade stir fry from Chinese food, but I'm going to do it in the slow cooker. She does it in a pan on the stove. I'm going to take my own take on it. It's basically the same premises, but it's going to be a little different because I'm making it in the slow cooker, because it just makes it easier for me to cook slow cooker meals when I'm working. So, it is frozen chicken in the slow cooker, and this was frozen. It should be, hopefully I can pull it apart soon. It's still stuck together pretty good there. That's alright. That'll work. Ugh, touching raw meat. Yucky. Hold on. I'm going to season that, and that's just going to cook for a little while. Okay? So, probably till my first break at work, which is like 2:30. I'm just going to put you guys down here for a minute. Sorry, I know you are in an odd position there. I just got to... Alright, I'm going to pick out some spices to put on that chicken. So I'm going to take garlic powder, which is one of my favorite. And I'm going to take pepper, which is one of my favorite. And I'm taking pink salt. I use pink salt now because of our little gingerbread house. So this is all we use in our house now, except for baking. When I'm baking, I still have regular salt for baking because it just works better for baking. Alright, so just the salt will help. Okay, not too much, just a sprinkle, Sherry. Don't go crazy. The salt will help the chicken break apart. But this is going to be so tender that it's just going to shred like very easily once it's cooked. I can be generous with the garlic because Mike and I both like garlic. Alright, so I'm just going to let this is on high, and like I said, that's frozen. So I'm just going to let this cook for a few hours. Now, our little gingerbread house uses like fresh vegetables. I don't have any right now because it's grocery week this week, so when I get paid Friday, I'll pick up some groceries. I'm going to use this, which is basically, it's going to work just the same. It's frozen broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. I'm going to put this in it when it's time. I'm thinking about putting a sweet potato in too, but I'm not sure. It's not really Chinese food if there's a sweet potato in, but the sweet potato will make it a little more hearty. And then the other thing that I'm going to put in, I asked Mike if he wanted rice or noodles. And he picked noodles. So basically what you do is you take a pack of Mr. Noodles and put them in there, but you don't put the seasoning in. So that's what supper's going to be tonight. So fingers crossed it comes out good. I'll show you guys the other steps when I do them, but hopefully it comes out good. I think, and then you can put like any kind of sauce on it that you want. You can put teriyaki sauce on it. You can put sweet and sour sauce. I think I have some sweet and sour sauce in the fridge, but you don't need a lot of it because you don't want to take away from the nice flavors. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So I hope it comes out good, but it's just going to make it a lot easier for me to cook with being at work. So that's what I love about the slow cooker. If you guys have any slow cooker recipes that you want to share with me, leave them down below because I'm trying to get into that more. I used to have one and then I got rid of it, and then I went out and bought another one, but because I just figure it's going to be easier for me to cook that way for us for supper when I'm working. Because I could just put it in the pot and forget about it basically. Alright, I'm going to go finish watching our little gingerbread house's video and just relax before work for a bit because I got to go in about an hour. Guys, I'm sorry. It's hard to remember to grab the phone when you're working and you come out on like personal time to do stuff. So here's what supper looks like. I might have put the vegetables in too early because they seem to have disintegrated. So next time I won't put them in as early. But it looks like it's going to taste good. So That's the question. So I'll let you guys know how it is after I have my supper. Get him, Odie. Get him. Get him. They wrestle. He doesn't hurt him. Get him. Get him. Get him, Odie. I don't know. You won, Odie. You won. Yay! Hey guys, it's Thursday morning. I forgot to let you guys know that the meal that I made last night, it was delicious. Now, it didn't have that little crisp on it like it would if you made it in a pan like our little gingerbread house does. But it was still delicious. I actually have leftovers for supper tonight. Mike told me there's only enough. I think there's enough for the two of us, even though he says there's not. But I'm pretty sure there is. I just wanted to show you guys a couple things that I picked up recently. So let's do a little walking around to show you guys. Okay, I was going to start decorating for fall, but then I got sidetracked, and I can't do it before work because it's just too much. On Temu, I grabbed this. It matches my theme because it has a little bit of Tiffany blue in it because I have this one over here. So, that, because I just wanted to. I needed something to put on that wall, and that was the best thing. Now, you guys seen this, but here's my little, the kitten was jumping at it, so I had to fold it up there, and the TV was too heavy for us to lift, so it's just here. This weekend, I'm gonna dust and clean and try to put out my my fall stuff. But I'm wondering, like, could I get away with this? It's pumpkins, but it's not the typical pumpkin color. Could I get away with this all year? I don't know. And then I got my blanket over there. There's some little tweaking that I got to do around here. My fall blanket's up on the ladder there, the top one, so you can see it. I'm trying to, I don't know what I'm doing. Everything seems cluttered to me right now. Because Mike will come in with something and he'll be I'll just lay this here for now, and then things on the shelves, and I keep telling them the shelves are not for like just moving stuff around and putting it there temporarily, because then it gets cluttered up. So it's a man thing, I think. That my shelves are for decorative stuff. Well, a couple of them are for storage. But anyway, that's besides the point. I just feel like I have to declutter. So I'm going to show you a couple things that I got from Amazon. I can't remember what items I showed you and didn't show you from previous videos. I think I showed you this. I thought this was NYX lip oil, but it's just a no-name brand. Beauty Glazed, it's called. It works pretty nice, though. I think it's basically the same thing. And I think I showed you guys that you can get these in Walmart in my town. I seen them there, and then I skipped it, and then I decided to order it. But I think you guys seen the bronzer. But I got a blush too. I ordered that. And this is almost the same color as the Charlotte Tilbury Pinkasm. And then this is the first time I bought makeup for myself in a while. But it's all drugstore stuff. But this, I didn't even swatch this yet. It's the Wet n Wild Alice in Wonderland palette. So it's Lost in Wonderland. And I didn't swatch it yet. I like the Snoopy one. I got the Snoopy one. So I should like this one. There's what the colors look like. We never get these collections in my Walmart, so I have to order them on Amazon. But yeah, this is pretty neutral, actually. It looks like there's some color dupes that might be in the Snoopy palette, too, like this white shimmery one. I'm going to have to compare them, I guess. But yeah, this is the first time I ordered makeup for myself in a long time, so I treat it myself. But it's only drugstore stuff, so... this was like $22 on Amazon, though. That's Wet n Wild's getting up there for these... Well, I think it's the collection. But I should show you guys this sometime. It's literally almost the same color as Pinkasm. You can dupe it very easily, and I like these. So yeah, that's what I picked up for myself recently. I have to pack up 2 Christmas packages that I'm sending early too, I think. So I want to get that done and get them sent out because I have packages that have to go to other places. So I'm doing a gift exchange with a couple of people here on YouTube, so stay tuned for Vlogmas for that. But I'm just going to send my packages out early, I believe. I'll let them know when I send them, but yeah. So anyway, I got a couple hours before work, so I'm going to end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are having a good week so far. And we're supposed to get the hurricane. I don't know if it's going to come right to Cape Breton or if it's just going to go to mainland Nova Scotia. It keeps changing course. So, I think we're taking, well, I don't think, I know we're taking Kaylee for a little while on Saturday. I just don't know if we'll be staying here with her or if it'll be nice enough for us to go out somewhere. So, anyway, stay tuned for that because I'll vlog a little bit if I can, if I remember. And, yeah, so I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you have a great weekend coming up, and I'll talk to you guys all in the next one. Bye, everyone.